Hey creative friends, Jessica Sanders here, colormecreativeart.com. Welcome to my channel. I just want to pop in and share with you today really quick this cool find from Amazon. So searching for washi tape and I came across this really cool washi tape. So I'm going to share this with you really quick. It's so fun and I'm super excited. And as it turns out, this isn't regular washi tape. Well, it is regular washi tape, but it's stickers. So you peel off individual stickers. It's a whole roll of stickers. And you may have seen these before, but this is the first time that I've seen them. And you can just stick them on your art journal or your tag or anything. And they look, these in particular look like watercolor. They have different versions and different types, but I thought these were so fun. Like, how fun is that? You can just put that on your page and they're just like normal washi tape in that you just can peel them right off. There you go. They're really, I mean, they're already shaded too. It's really cool, really cool. So I've got actually 4 rolls of this. I got these hearts, which is cool. And I got these flowers. So it's the entire flower on this tape. And I've already opened these. They come with a little tab to peel off so you can find the edge, but I'll just grab this top flower right here and show you. Look at that. Oh, I'm sorry, that was my dog. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, these would be great, like to put flowers in her hair kind of thing. So like if you had a little whimsical girl that you drew and you could just put flowers in her hair. I just thought that was such a cool idea. So that's the flower tape. Now I have 2 more kinds, but these are actually, instead of the entire flower, they're the petals. I'll show you how that works really fast. These are just, to me, they are super fun. So these have a little bit of yellow and a blue petal. I'll just pull up a row just to make it easier to get them off. And then you just peel them off and put them on the page. Now, if you're wondering what this book is, this is my Dina Wakley Media journal. The regular size journal, not the small or the giant. And this is watercolor paper in here. So you can just put the petals, stick them down. So super cool. And it's a little bit translucent, translucent. So you can see through it a little bit. So when it overlaps, it makes a nice shadow. So it's really watercolor-like, I think. I'm gonna do one more petal and then I'll put this one away. So I just made this really fun little flower. Of course, you could leave a circle in the middle and paint or draw or whatever. You can use as many petals as you like. So that's this little individual petal with the blue flowers. And then I have this one, which is also petals, but these look a lot like leaves. So I feel like I could just, say, draw a line. It's not a very good line. And put some leaves on it. They are meant to be flowers, so they're not green. But I mean, they're super cool. These are super cool leaves. So like I would just do leaf and a leaf and another leaf. Isn't that cute? Let me get my Stabilo pencil. So now just do like a little stem. You could even like go on the edge of that. You know, it's washi tape. It's just like normal washi tape. I would put, if I was doing this, you know, for real, like I'm not doing it for real right now because I'm doing it to show you, quote, for real. Of course it's for real, but you understand what I mean. I would put more flower, more leaves. I might even put one like that. I probably would. Now, of course, these leaves are all the same size. because they're actually petals. But isn't that super cool? Like, you could have so much fun with these. I'm going to have so much fun. I think this is washi tape that I will use. Yes. Okay, so I will leave a link in the discussion box below. It is an affiliate link from Amazon, which is where I found them. It does give me a small commission when you purchase through my link, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. So this is a super cool washi tape stickers. I mean, that is super fun, at least for me, and I hope you enjoyed this little product play, and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Click that bell if you want to see more videos from me. All right, thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.